But only say me hear game na na ebe sim tim say na wo ka say. So only team be ba.
Any good.
Enye
kra.
A bad omen.
No. It's enye eno a utimu say o de yebe drew ho. The road to Budapest, Jenny B have already mentioned say it's going to be interesting. Champions League season be as the twists, the turns, the own expecting say beba, the own expect say beba. Even the expecting the crowd how it will come by. And it's no money na a couple of the Champions League near there. And that is why in club football they say it is the best competition we are seeing. For me, this season, is living up to expectation. Bah. Now, I know I have 2 games are now cost that, and then you have the 2 games are cost and so and then Enra. Let's start from this year. I was Spotify company. Unim say, since Diego Simeone El Cholo, ever the coach of Atletico Madrid. Waba Spotify company maku 18 unwini bakumpoda enti Enra he was making the 19th trial say odi Atletico Madrid team no ebe she Barcelona in all competitions they be obeba ho bia untimisha they be obeba ho bia untimisha against Barcelona I was Spotify company Enra there nyamia ye na dom. He has gotten his first win on his 19th trial. But he was going to get that win on the 9th. Undeviated from the way I knew Sir El Cholo won the ball. Solid defensively and wait for the moments in the game. And it is our numbers now. Now you can't say, oh, Atletico Madrid, we need 2-0. But Omu coach, Diego Simeone, say, oh, okay. Then that explains why. Because, Rich, say, Oshe Opta analysts, Omu numbers, Omu put 2 together. Barcelona have 58% ball possession to Atletico 42. Barcelona bought 7 shots on target to Atletico 3. Barcelona bought 18 shots, Atletico bought 5. Game na ye body in mu possession ni shot on target na. Barcelona enya SG of 1.21, Atletico is 0.45. That's what she 2 Barcelona and Shebi. Until you clearly understand, say this is typical Diego Simeone tactics, taking advantage of very 2 good situations. Wonderful free kick. Then Abrante for Alexander Soloff pounce on the cross. Boom. 2-0. Barcelona and Timmy. Now, look. I love the way Diego Simeone ever set it up in the 4-4-2. No? And me catch it will be I say this Atletico Madrid team and the way they are solid defensively, no. Say ode Barcelona win or go win or one Metropolitano ever to side game when you may be wrong because in that game Oreste Alvarez Oreste Lukman and Lukman who say no he is planning a certain way different in the Champions League than in the league. Why? Because in the league Rich on team in G League, you know. Oh, Nishi. Enti opa be share 20 league in fire league no only Real Madrid na play onu kwa we mama. You are runaway leaders and as a winners of the league. But in the Champions League, Mebo and use the best of Arsenals. Now you see, and I mean, after the game, I was watching on Super Sports. And on me interview of Ademola Lookman. Okasa we and a partner and say, oh, Solomon Kalu and Kabi been for the Lookman Akano. As soon as Solomon Kalu can say, oh, on say Ademola Lookman and Yajisawache. But the kind of football now, Obo and Diego Simeone, any football on Ademola Lookman epe. Because in games like this, he must defend giddy. And the work ethics of this team by El Cholo, you must play to his tactics. In Tienra, or the Antoine Griezmann, up to Julian Alvarez, and no more Macaladier. You have to be in that discipline, 2 lines of defense.
Now we are four, but young.
So, Massa,
of course, Massa.
Yes,
you're mature. Bra.
Yes, now Obia must do his job. Now, any of Barcelona will be near. Barcelona have seen this over and over again with Omo 4-3-3, El Cholo, our defending. Barcelona played well. They were able to find Rashford more, Lamine Yamal in certain situations. But the fact that Barcelona any chance no aseno, no onya chance no aseno, no onya chance no aseno no, it played into the hands of Atletico. Say they build their confidence in the game. And it's always no first now say, and your man koye ama Barca to get the goal. And Enra, catch me say, Barca home for man who were parking so no. And yet engineered by the kind of games they bring Atletico Madrid for neighbor. They have played them too many. Ama Enra be beer as a Barca for no. They don't even see say omo new game bimpo. That is what I am talking about. A day to play in a certain way against a team only the boss, and they were very, very disciplined. Now, we knew the game started to change
after the red card
with the Pau Kubasi red card.
Was it a red card?
You see, menya anya unkono busame. Yebra penny Samuel Anini, our Finland, ebusame the same question. And my answer to him will be the same answer to you. Rich, in the modern day football, we've seen this red card given a lot of the times. And to see a GBH Barcelona, these red cards have been given in a lot of games. Yes, for almost too much pro Barcelona, for no money almost be I'm making some arguments say. Se usho the way agolemo ankasa na etoni na wo na china de boni beka say ono no o initiate contact no. And I think say this cam video gives you a clearer view. You can tell Kuba say on sign, but agolemo mom the page and nine and all for na chi and I know what kind. But Rich, you see, in the modern day football, defender any attacker or kwakoshebu, the initiation of the contact, whether it is from the striker or from the defender, once there is a contact, I impede the striker. There is no way any referee at the home chow. Until I know you put a referee was there a contact? Contact does it impede the striker now or clear goal scoring chance now? Once he's able to take those 2 boxes, and I am happy say after the game, Pau Kubasi goes on Instagram and says he takes responsibility for the red card. Case closed.
Case
closed. Case closed.
Red card.
Time a pass neighbor. Say, oh, you're defender, you need to read the pass and position yourself well. But my pass in you, now my attack and football only do say Kim. Any form of contact be that impedes the attacker, you are in trouble. Pau Kubasi understands that as a defender and he has taken responsibility with his own words. Now, Rich, Senki ebo game no be the record. It doesn't give advantages unless you mother form. Now, right after the record, 2 minutes after it, let me call. Me found my phone. I'm called Twitter. And Musa Krebi to say, Senka, Pau Kubasi him say, Julian Alvarez ebe bo free kick nasha, and then ko jama golem ko share because then it's a goal. But you have 11. Rich, why did him say Julian Alvarez who scored that wonderful free kick.
Ranting as you go.
There is a fan cam until we can watch it. Rich, look at the angle. There is no goalkeeper on Betinyachi.
Have you already shared it?
And that is how you win games, BCSA. When you get the advantage, you make the statement. And I'm telling you, Rich, time a free kick went home. You look at the demeanor of the Barcelona players and they knew they were in trouble. Right from the red card, then they are down by 1 goal. In a flash, that is football. The details of how you move from a winning position to a losing position at the highest level of the Champions League. This is what we are talking about. Then Soloff added the second goal. Now, Barcelona for say, Omo Asembika or game now. And it started from the coach. Hansi Flick after the game say, Sir Muso, any pobel, go kick na, goalkeeper no, ebo no ma defender and say ombo. Na osade ne sa so mu no. Hansi Flick say, there was a clear red card because now people is already on a yellow card. Mm-hmm. There was a clear red card and a penalty for us. And Obusa said, now VAR, away in this situation. Now, Rich, do they really have a point, Barca, on this matter? Me, Debbie Ameka say, Sanka me obi o mitie sports. The reason why I will listen to Nhyira Power Sports and say, Rich, when it gets to BBC say, you don't have to dwell much on your opinion. Oh. Football is played by the rules and brana. And I hear from me radio tour. And I'm tuning in some you could show YouTuber. Or bet church I'm running my mama was okay. And no not Jane or Deca. But saying them Raneka. Now Rich, what happened in the box? A goal kick situation. The IFAB law is very, very clear on goal kick. With law 16. Until law 16 IFAB eka the goal kick. Now Rich, you really make it to you started from 16.1 procedure. Number 1, or say the ball must be stationary. That's also born, and it was a movie also born down. The ball must be stationary and is kicked from any point within the goal area. And see both goal kicker. I also born down, and you can say a movie down. But I also that within the goal area, so small box now, I won't go keep on anymore to pay. By or say. And the ball must be stationary and is kicked from any point within the goal area by a player of the defending team. And you want to go kicking on one go kicking on one. Now, number 2, the ball is in play when it is kicked and clearly moves. And once a ball to a movie, oh kicking as a Kim. According to the laws, the ball is in play. The ball is in play. Opponent must be outside the penalty area until the ball is in play. And it's also a goal kicker. Opposition team no. Me play even when they want to press. I know where Lami Yamane Rashford. No penalty box in echi. Odo na kai afi no master team ball so. That is how it is. Nti Samuso de ball on to the ball was stationary and a movie. The moment he touched the ball was in play. Now, Rich, to kill this argument of whether it was a penalty or not, let's read 6.2 offenses and sanctions. I'll say number 1, if after the ball is in play, the kicker touches the ball again before it has touched another player. An indirect free kick is awarded. That's a bono. Wa born da wa. Wa wodo na be kasa ona bo go kick no. Untimi san touch ball ni biem. Abo for fan emfa nanka ball. And for instance, goalkeeper Muso after touching ball. Sena pubo emfa na hon ka ball na untimi san fa na hon beka. On hon beka biem a ye beji indirect free kick e de atia goalkeeper no. And what also can say, if the kicker commits a handball offense, Rich, number 1, a direct free kick is awarded. And it's a goalkeeper. Ubo free kick, Ubo goal kick. Na Ubo goal kick. The same man say your goal kick be goalkeeper jama players bebo, offensive of half players bebo. So Ubo na Ubo on the ball unsa. Yebe award direct free kick any tiao. But reach us tier or say a penalty kick is awarded if the offense occurred inside the kicker's penalty area, unless the kicker was the goalkeeper.
Okay.
In which case, an indirect free kick is awarded. If when a goal kick is taken, any opponents are inside the penalty area because they did not have the time to leave, the referee allows the play to continue if an opponent who is in the penalty area when the goal kick is taken or enters into, I don't know any of the echoes for Rich. If you read this law, then Barcelona for no really have a case to say the referee should have taken a penalty. And the Hansi Flick is in the ball for one to say, yeah, for the referee no, yes, the referee got it wrong.
What about the VAR?
That is why the VAR is there.
Because I'm more fair referee say no.
Say any obvious error, a penalty situation biano, and until I'm war. You review it and tell the referee say, "Ebi away who say," but you did say decision I was taking on a clear error went to me and generate. That is it for the Barcelona game, no.
Okay.
Enra, na me show Barcelona match, no. And I didn't get time to watch live Paris Saint-Germain and Liverpool, but before I watch the game, Rich, Omubo game ni we na I'll finish in the next 1 minute. Omubo game ni we na. I decided. Say before I go and watch the game full, no, make here the comments and free coaches in over. Which then I knew what happened in the game. Because one, and a slot Liverpool coach, you know, I say Ohabo no more than 10 minutes now. Nyankopon you madum pass or consider only 2 goals. Because Bona Paris Saint-Germain no boy, na anwo dem dodo. Liverpool coach. Then Luis Enrique betra nam to so say eye ne yase 2 pe no mutimi share for ball no boy no so committee share bebre na mom no sa na buy. So I decided to visit the numbers, Rich, and what they are saying is the true reflection of the numbers. 74% ball possession for Paris Saint-Germain, Rich. 18 shots for Paris Saint-Germain to Liverpool 3. How does Liverpool play and not get any shot on targets? Serious.
Liverpool.
Yes.
No shot on target. Liverpool.
Rich, they have 0.18 SG in 90 minutes.
When do we have 1 shot on target?
Paris Saint-Germain was 2.20. That is how dominant.
That's a ball possession. 74%.
Yeah, 74. Rich. 74 to
Liverpool.
Omantimi no mambo. Now him, sir, dominance in Rich. Vitinha in his element is special. On the night I know about the 50th Champions League game for Paris Saint-Germain. Rich, look at, according to Optano,
heat map.
This is what they call the zone of control. Our park and so. And see, within the 90 minutes. Baby, a Paris Saint-Germain control game on the power park and so. Rich, it almost everywhere except 2. Liverpool boxing and this angle here. The Akanin now was controlled by Paris Saint-Germain. So what is the Paris Saint-Germain? I dominated possession and as an opponent say, Rich, then it is Vitinha. 132 successful passes. Only say Enra game no boy only 6 passes per. And a Vitinha boy anchor and look at Vitinha and the passing sequence. Our park and so incredible. Rich, Paris Saint-Germain team nation you. And mama
say I can say that no we swing about bodo.
Me dem ask mo be Rich. What would this video we? Ade a Paris Saint-Germain ya ade won ho pa. Eh the way omo composer to play ball we chire to draw you in to as if say oh yemko yakwa jibon on sankada na Rich uye mistake na move say wo be jibon na the way they are able to pass you around and say uko Europe sisi ya opetima Rich omo pace pa from all angles including they draw you in, you follow the ball, one pass behind the defenders. They played behind. They know say every player in your team are capable of running more than all opponents, and they will come for the ball. And this is the Galaskeda go now. It was a six born any baby. And one thing I love about Paris Saint-Germain is Rich, any team in Europe, they've shown they don't really need a present striker to outsmart you in creating chances. And it's our map where there is no striker within this zone. But Rich, how their players are able to run? Oh, Vich a goal. Oh, maybe already free. And the pass, on your box, it is as if Obono Manai all his life. So composed with an instinct of a striker and is able to finish off the games. Liverpool last 4 away games lose Rich. And you man kuye ma Liverpool. Last they say there who problem na share English team and na Paris Saint-Germain Rich. In Pablo no dey come from Man City last season, no Liverpool last season, no Arsenal, no say Aston Villa this season. Or say Newcastle this season where Chelsea he is on the brink of so sabi team you friend Liverpool. They say the Paris Saint-Germain there. We English team now ba na ye the one man. Now maintenance no. Quickly answering your question. I think the first side that is dead will be the Sporting Club de Portugal as now one.
And you're dead.
Yes.
Okay.
May as in rank win the first one. The second one will be Rich, the Paris Saint-Germain Liverpool game. I think the way they dominated them. So Liverpool, so say, or Sabe throw caution to air because also Beshe go against Paris Saint-Germain. Now so in that perspective, until the PSG Liverpool will come in my rankings in terms of games that we say dead no. Then the Barcelona Atletico Madrid one will come.
Okay.
I think yes, Barcelona was slim chance. But it's going to be very, very difficult. They are very open. It's still the Bayern Real Madrid game, and then there are Europa League games and the Conference League games. Where they mature that you can just take a screenshot of 2 betting codes, but just 2 for the combo Europa and the Conference League. Who me social that may also say you have it even in the morning cry. But only me social now we show no now open bet you could be at the child bet and then for Europa League in the conference now 2 codes BW4C 7FF C3C BW4C 7FF C3C and a BW4C 803 F54 BW4C 803 F54. Bit my take screenshot, bit more come socials. X, also been Ayala, verified. Don't know follow. Oko Facebook, so also been Ayala. I know follow. Share verified. And Ayala Sports. I know follow. Benya Sano ma we nyina ewo ho enomona etimi akoye. Rich, mami Musa was asking me answer na matenase. I asem bia enchi bia me kwa control to social media. And it is about a blasters coach. Who say eno na ye discuss say